Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you in a minute how to remove unwanted object from video. This is CapCut tutorial. So if you use this CapCut as your regular video editor on your Android or your mobile phone, you can remove unwanted or you can hide this unwanted object. For example, let's tap on the projects. This is from library of CapCut. So you want to remove the objects. For example, this is the object from the wall. On the wall you can tap on your video and make a duplicate here and tap on the first video, make overlay. Done. So in the second video, the overlay, you can try to use mask. You can tap the mask feature, try to use the rectangle. So use this rectangle on the blank space. I recommend you to make on a same color as the wall. Done. So let's cover this. So try to resize or try to adjust the size here to uncover the objects. This one, for example, same color. And I think this is enough. This is done. You can cover the objects very well if you have another video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.